Hey everyone! Welcome back to Nature and Nutrition. In today's video, we're diving into some natural ways to manage your sugar levels right from the comfort of your home. We'll also cover some foods that diabetic patients should stay away from. Let's get started. First on our list are fruits. Incorporating low glycemic fruits like berries, apples, and pears into your diet can help keep your sugar levels steady. They're not just delicious but also packed with nutrients. Next up, herbal teas. Green tea and chamomile tea can be great choices. They're known to improve insulin sensitivity and reduce sugar cravings. Plus, they're super soothing. Let's make a quick recipe. How about a smoothie? Grab some spinach, a banana, a handful of berries, and some almond milk. Blend them together for a refreshing drink that's low in sugar and high in fiber. Don't forget about nuts and seeds. Almonds, walnuts, and chia seeds are fantastic snacks that can help stabilize your blood sugar levels. Just a small handful can make a big difference. Exercise is crucial too. A daily walk or quick home workout can enhance your body's ability to use insulin more effectively, which helps in controlling sugar levels. And let's not forget hydration. Drinking plenty of water throughout the day can help flush out excess sugar from your system and keep you feeling energized. Now, let's talk about what to avoid. Diabetic patients should steer clear of high-sugar foods like sugary drinks, candies, and baked goods. These can cause quick spikes in glucose levels. Processed and refined carbohydrates such as white bread, pastries, and many snack foods should also be limited, as they can rapidly convert to sugar in the bloodstream. Lastly, watch out for unhealthy fats. Foods high in trans fats, like some fried foods and packaged snacks, can contribute to insulin resistance. Opt for healthier fat sources like avocados and olive oil instead. To wrap it up, managing your sugar levels naturally at home is all about making mindful choices. Whether it's incorporating the right foods, avoiding certain harmful ones, staying active, or keeping hydrated, your body will thank you for it. If you found these tips helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more health and wellness tips. Comment below with your favorite natural remedies for sugar control. Until next time, take care and stay healthy.